Hello friends, in this video today we are going to study about the world's largest companies, or you can say the world's leading companies, that companies which are related to internet or telecommunication. About that companies we are going to study today. So let's start. And also one thing, the companies about which we are going to study, we study about their founder, who is the company's founder, about their foundation, headquarter, chairman, CEO, COO, and also about the company's products. So let's start our first topic that we are going to study is Apple. Apple Apple Incorporated. Apple Incorporated is an American multinational technology company uh, whose founder was Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Van, and its foundation date is April 1976, about 44 years ago. And the headquarter of the Apple uh, is in Cupertino, California, US, and the chairman is Arthur D. Levinson. CEO is Tim Cook, and COO, that is the Chief Operating Officer, is Jeff William. And there are many products about from about some products are listed here. About them we have to study here. Okay, first product is the iPod. The 23rd October, on 23rd October 2001, Apple introduced the iPod digital as a digital music player. And the second product is iPhone. On 29th June 2007, first generation of iPhone was released by Steve Jobs. And third product is the iPad. On 27th January 2010, Apple introduced their much anticipated media tablet, the iPad, which offers much multi-touch interaction with the multimedia formats including newspapers, ebooks, photos, video games, videos, music, word processing documents, and also video games. Then also one product that is Apple Watch. It was released on 24th April 2015. The Apple Watch, that is smartwatch, was announced by Tim Cook on 29th September 2014. So these are the some products about of the Apple Incorporated company. And let's study about our next topic, that the company is Microsoft Corporation. So let's begin. Our next topic is the Microsoft company, Microsoft Corporation. It is an American multinational technology company. It is a public type company, and its foundation date is 4th April 1975, about 45 years ago, in New Mexico, US. Its founder is Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Headquarters is in Redmond, Washington, in US. Key people such as the chairman of the Microsoft is John W. Thompson. CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer, is Satya Nadella. President is Brad Smith, and technical advisor is also the Bill Gates. About the industry develops many products and many things such as the video games, internet, corporate venture capital, software developments, and computer hardware, computer consumer electronics, social networking services. And its best known software products are the Microsoft Windows line of operating systems, the Microsoft Office suite, the Internet Explorer, and its web browser. And its flagship hardware products are Xbox video game consoles, the Microsoft Surface line up of the touchscreen personal computers. And these are about uh, the Microsoft Corporation. And our next topic on which we have to know, that is the Adobe. So the next company is the Adobe Incorporation. The Adobe Incorporation is an American multinational computer software company. It has historically focused upon creation of multimedia and creativity software products. Adobe is best known for its Adobe Flash web software ecosystem, Photoshop as image editing software, Adobe Illustrator as a vector graphic editor, Acrobat Reader, and the portable documents format, that is the PDF, and Adobe Creator Suites, as well as its successor, the Adobe Creative Cloud. The As you know, the Adobe Incorporation is a public type company, and it's a software industry, and its foundation date is uh, December 1982, about 37 years ago, in California, Mountain View, California, US. Its founder is John Warnock and Charles Guest. Headquarter is in San Jose, California, US, and the key peoples, the Santanu Narayan as the chairman and chief executive officer, also the chief executive officer of the Adobe Incorporation. So this is the about Adobe Incorporation, and our next topic is the Samsung. Samsung Group is a South Korean multinational conglomerate. The Samsung was founded by Lee Byung-chul in 1938 as a trading company. According to Lee Byung-chul, the meaning of Samsung is three stars. The three represents something big, numerous, and powerful, and the meaning of a star is everlasting or eternal, like the stars in the sky. As you know, the Samsung Group is a private type, and industry is a conglomerate. The work in a group. Okay, the foundation date of Samsung Group is 1st March 1938, about 82 years ago, in Daegu, Japanese Korea. The founder was Lee Byung-chul, and headquarter is in Seoko District, Seoul, South Korea. Key people, the chairman, Lee Jae-yong is the chairman of the Samsung Group. There are many products. Launched by Samsung Group. Some of them are noted here as apparel, automotive chemicals, consumer electronics, electronic component, medical equipment, semiconductor, telecommunication equipment, and whole appliances, etc. There are the subsidiaries of the Samsung Group. The subsidiaries of the Samsung Group is Samsung Electronics, Samsung Engineering, Samsung C&T Construction Companies Corporation, Samsung Heavy Industries, Samsung SDS, Samsung Life Insurance, Samsung Fire and Marine Insurance, and Chill Worldwide, etc. So this is about the Samsung Group, and our next topic is the Sony Corporation. So many of you know something about the Sony Corporation. Sony is a Japanese multinational conglomerate corporation headquartered in Konan, Minato, Tokyo. It is a public type company. Formerly, the Sony Corporation was named as Tokyo Susin Kogyo Limited from 1946 to 1957. This industry work as a conglomerate, and the foundation date of the Sony Corporation is 7th May 1946, about 74 years ago, in its foundation in Nihonbashi, Chuo, Tokyo, Japan. Founder's name is Akio Morita and Masaru Ibuka. Founder's name Akio Morita and Masaru Ibuka. Headquarter is in Sony City, Minato, Tokyo, Japan. Key peoples such as the chairman of the board is Sujo Sumi. The vice chairman of the board is Kazuo Matsunega, and the chairman, president, and CEO, also the CEO, is Kenichiro Yoshida. Chairman, president, and also CEO of the Sony Corporation is Kenichiro Yoshida, and the vice chairman is Seiki Ishizuka. There are many products. There are many products of the Sony Corporation. Some of them are listed here as consumer electronics, semiconductors, video games, films, music, computer hardware, telecommunication equipments, robots, etc. So this is about the this is all about the Sony Corporation. And our next topic, the company about which we are going to study, that is the Nokia Corporation. So let's begin. As you know about the Nokia Corporation is a too much old company. It is a Finnish company. This industry working on the telecom equipments, networking equipments, consumer electronics, etc. And the foundation date of the Nokia Corporation is 12th May 1865, about 155 years ago. This is too long time, about 155 years ago, in Tampere, Grand Duchy of Finland, Russian Empire. Its founder was Frederick Edestam, and Leo MacLean and Edward Pollan. Three founders: the Frederick Edestam, Leo MacLean, and Edward Pollan. The headquarters of the Nokia Corporation is in Espoo, Finland, and the key people such as chairman is the Sari Baldov, and the president and also the CEO of the Nokia Corporation is Pekka Lundmark, and the former CEO was Rajiv Suri until 31st July 2020. There are subsidiaries of the Nokia Corporation as Bell Labs, Alcatel Mobile, NPG Capital, Radio Frequency System, etc. And this is about these all things about the Nokia Corporation. And our next the next topic about which we are going to study, the company is Google LLC, Limited Liability Company and subsidiaries. Today everyone knows about the Google. The Google LLC. LLC means the Limited Liability Company subsidiary. Google LLC is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet related services and products, which include online advertising technologies, a search engine, cloud computing, software and hardware. It is considered one of the big 5 technology companies in US for information technology industry alongside Amazon, Facebook, Apple and Microsoft. Formerly, the Google LLC was Google Inc., Google Incorporated, from 1998 to 2017. The type of Google LLC is Limited Liability Company subsidiary, and the industry work on the internet, cloud computing, computer software and hardware, artificial intelligence, and on advertising. The date of foundation of the Google is 4th September 1998. 4th September 1998, about 22 years ago, in Menlo Park, California, US. And the founder of the Google is Larry Page and Sergey Brin. They found the Google while they were PhD students at the Stanford University in California. The founders' name is Larry Page and Sergey Brin of the Google. Its headquarters is in 1600 Amphitheater Parkway, Mountain View, California, US. Key people such as the CEO, Chief Executive Officer of the Google, also Sundar Pichai, and CFO, the Chief Financial Officer, Rath Porat. And there are many products of the Google LLC. Some of them are listed here as Google Search, Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Translate, Google Map, Google Earth, Google Photo, etc. These all products are used in daily life. So this is about the Google LLC. And our next topic, the company is Amazon. So let's begin. All of you also know about the Amazon. Amazon company. The company started as an online marketplace for the books, but expanded to sell the electronics, softwares, video games, apparel, furniture, food, toys, and jewelries. You know that the Amazon company is an American multinational technology company. It is based in Seattle, Washington, and this company mainly focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. This Amazon company is also considered as one of the big five companies in US as information technology industries, along with the Google, Apple, Microsoft, and Facebook. This company has been referred as world's most valuable branded company. And the Amazon company was formerly named as Cadbury Incorporated from 1994 to 1995. And the Amazon company is a public type company, and this industry works on the cloud computing, e-commerce, artificial intelligence, consumer electronics, digital distribution, self-driving cars, and many other things, and many on other products. And let's see the foundation date of the Amazon. On 5th July 1994, about 26 years ago, in Bellevue, Washington, US, the Amazon's foundation uh, take place. And the founder of the Amazon is Jeff Bezos. Its headquarters is in Seattle, Washington, in US. The key people such as president, CEO, and chairman of board is Jeff Bezos. Also the president, CEO, and chairman of board, Jeff Bezos. The products of the Amazon company is Echo, Fire tablets, Fire TV, Fire OS, Kindle, and there are many services of the Amazon as like Amazon.com, Amazon Alexa, Amazon App Store, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime Video, and Amazon Web Series, etc. There are many subsidiaries also as Alexa Internet, Amazon Books, Amazon Game Studio, Amazon Publishing, Amazon Robotics, Amazon Studios, Whole Whole Foods Market, book depositories, etc. So this is about the Amazon company, whose founder and CEO is Jeff Bezos. And we have to know about our next topic, the company, the Facebook. Let's start. Today, every person knows about the Mark Zuckerberg, who is the founder of the Facebook. So let's start about the intro of the Facebook. Facebook is an American social media conglomerate corporation based in Menlo Park, California. It was founded by Mark Zuckerberg along with his fellows, roommates, and students at Harvard College, who were Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes. Originally as the Facebook.com, today's Facebook, the networking website globally. Facebook is a public type industry. This industry works on the social media advertising. Founded on 4th February 2004, about 16 years ago, in Cambridge, Massachusetts. The founder of the Facebook is the Mark Zuckerberg, Eduardo Saverin, Andrew McCollum, Dustin Moskovitz, Chris Hughes. Its headquarters is in Menlo Park, California, US. The key people such as a CEO, the Chief Executive Officer is Mark Zuckerberg. The COO, Chief Operating Officer, is Sheryl Sandberg. The CFO, Chief Financial Officer, is David Wehner. The CTO, Chief Technology Officer, is Mike Scroffer. And the CPO, the Chief Procurement Officer, is Chris Cox. There are many brands Facebook acquired such as Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, WhatsApp, Oculus VR, and it this company, the this industry, the Facebook, also has a 9.9% share or stake in the geo platforms. In the geo platforms, it has about 9.9% share in the geo platform, and the owner of the Facebook, also the Mark Zuckerberg. So this is about the Facebook, and our next topic, the company, is geo platform. So let's begin. In India and also in some other countries, the people know about the Jio Platform. The Jio Platform Limited is an Indian technology company and a subsidiary of Reliance Industry Limited. This Jio Platform, established in 2019, the company owns India's largest mobile network operator, the Jio, and the other digital business of Reliance. The Jio Platform is a subsidiary type, and the industry work on the telecommunication, e-commerce, and internet. Uh, it founded on 2019, in 2019, and the founder is Mukesh Ambani. Its headquarter is in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Area served, this Jio Platform is in India only, and the key people such as the director of the Jio Platform is Anant Ambani, son of Mukesh Ambani, and the owner is Reliance Industry Limited, have the share of Jio Platform about 67.03%, and there are also many other investors who have the share of 32.97%. The other investors such as Facebook Incorporated, Google, KKR, Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia, Vista Equity Partners, Silver Lake Partners, Mubadala Investment Company, General Atlantic, Abu Dhabi Investment Authority, TPG Capital, L Catterton, Intel Capital, Qualcomm, etc. Facebook have the share of about 9.99% in April 2020, and Google have a 7.73% of share in July 2020, and many other companies have the share of the Jio Platform. The parent company of the Jio Platform, the Reliance Industry Limited, and there are many subsidiaries of the Jio Platform such as Jio, Jio Infocom, Jio Mart, Jio Cinema, Jio Savan, and Jio Radisys, and Haptic, etc. These are the some companies about which today we are studies.